Polly and Nina here on a blustery day in the Manawatu too. Hey, we're here to introduce you to 43 Sutherland Crescent. It's a cracking good first home, isn't it?
It's a great little first home. It's got some pretty planting, which is fantastic, and it's on a nice little quiet kind of cul-de-sac street, and it's near the beach
It is,
for the weekends.
Yes.
And a commute to, quick commute to live in or whatever if you're that sort of person.
Yeah. Good garaging, 3 bedrooms, just a really good first home, I think. So come on through and we'll show you around.
So if you're looking to get into the market, this is a fabulous little first home. It's got great spaces, good sized bedrooms, really good to go.
It is, it's got good carpet, spacious backyard, ample storage in the garage. Just a perfect place to get into the market really, eh?
Yep, I think so.
So coming down to the open home or give us a call, we'd be happy to take you through for a private viewing. We're Polly and Nina and we're the P&N in Palmy North Real Estate.